wait for the first people to arrive. It is the middle of the night-ish. Don't know if we're streaming yet. Or we are streaming, just not many people are awake yet. Alrighty, there we go. There come the numbers, slowly. But we'll get you a quick update here, and we'll be in and out then through the balance of tonight. So we've got already over 100 folks, 130 on, I think, all the various platforms. So with that, you can see that we do have the storms that are getting closer. It's now 12:40, and they've passed through the Louisville Metro. So again, pretty much on schedule. We need you to just remain weather aware. Right now, north and west of Lexington, it's just raining at the moment, but you get what are called our fringe counties, the television market area. So our market ends at Franklin County, Frankfort, and Anderson County. To the north in Owen and Henry, you're talking Cincinnati, or at least Owen County, Cincinnati. Henry County's Louisville. But in Shelby County, which is technically Louisville, but we know we have a lot of folks watching, there is a confirmed tornado warning that is up in Shelby County for a storm that's coming out of the Louisville Metro, and it's had a really, really impressive signature. And I'm looking, issues a tornado watch. Is that the same tornado watch? I think it's actually the same one. I don't think it's been expanded eastward yet. But confirmed tornado there going on in the Louisville Metro. We can look at it. The Louisville radar has been basically right on top of it. So the lower you can get your radar beam, the better off you're going to be. The signature is okay on the storm relative, and actually it's lost a little bit of its defined look. It was looking pretty good coming through around Jeffersontown there over in Jefferson County there in the Louisville Metro, but that storm itself is near the Louisville or the Jefferson County, Shelby County line, but on a track that'll carry it somewhere toward northern Franklin County if it continues on that path. When we expand things back out, you'll notice that there's a small break in the warnings, and then back toward Litchfield, another one. But the bottom line is, it's not going to be a surprise at all that a watch gets extended at least to the I-75 corridor over the next hour or so as these storms continue to come east. The environment is not quite as favorable at this point as it was. Is Frankfort going to be hit with a tornado? Probably not, but you may still get warned, so be aware. If you get a warning for your county, you take shelter. And especially at night, it's hard to tell where a tornado may or may not be. And again, if you get a warning for your county, you get to your shelter. Can you sleep in Lexington? Yeah, Bobby, you can, but keep an information source handy. That by the time they get here, they may just be strong thunderstorms and not severe. But again, keep an information source that can wake you up. Laurel County, you may not see it till morning. Whitley, same idea, and may not see it till morning. Lawrenceburg, you've got, excuse me, got a nose itch. You have a tornado watch until 2. Scott County, no watches or warnings yet, but I won't be surprised if they eventually make it in there as well. So again, we're just taking a quick look at this storm, waiting to see. Oh, it's at Bullitt, Spencer, Anderson. So new severe thunderstorm warning is about to come out here. New severe thunderstorm warning is going to include there it is. So that new severe thunderstorm warning is for Anderson County as well as southern Franklin County. I don't think I can do this. I was going to try and do a stream and do the TV, but I don't think I can. In fact, I know I can't do it because my Magic Box won't let me do that. So I do have to go to the TV side. Anything east of 75, it's going to be several hours away. Anticipated tornado warning for Anderson, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. At this point, the exact warning does not say possible. So this may be more straight line winds when it arrives. Just for checking real quick for that storm that's now getting into Nelson County. So we're going to be a little ways off the ground, showing 50-mile-per-hour winds off the surface. So that's what's coming in with that storm now, as it's in Nelson County. But again, severe thunderstorm warning for Anderson until 1:15, southwestern corner of Franklin until 1:15, and again, you've got the confirmed tornado warning in Shelby County until 1 o'clock, and that's going to be for areas north of Shelbyville. So again, I apologize for this one. Oh, which one? Tornado warning's much worse. Tornado warning means a tornado is either happening or is about to happen, and you need to act now. Tornado watch is your time to think and plan, because a tornado might happen. It's a possibility in a broad area. So again, for Lexington, you're looking at a give it. The storms themselves are sitting out here, Nelson County. Took a power hit. So from out there towards Spencer and Nelson County, they're 45, 50 miles away. 12:40, between 2 and 3 o'clock for Lexington at the current pace. So again, there is your current warning. So again, I got to go over to the TV side, guys. Okay. Everybody wants it for their community. And I understand. I get it. It's totally a reasonable thing to think. It's just trying to answer every single one. So, real quick, okay, guys, here we go. Your storms now are sitting out here. You got your squall line sitting out past Louisville now, so it's past. That means we're talking the 127 corridor, Owen County, Franklin, into Anderson County over the next half hour or so. Toward Lexington, give it an hour, hour and a half. And same thing around toward Danville. For you folks down here southeast, you've got several hours before anything happens, and it'll likely be with Emily in the morning that you are dealing with that. Same thing, you get out here in eastern Kentucky, you've got several hours before anything is ongoing. So again, this is for the 127 corridor, I-75 and west for now. And with that, guys, I apologize, but I do the tornado and push in Williamstown, Grant County. You've got severe thunderstorm warning. It's on a path that's going to head toward Grant, but again, let's see how much longer this holds together as it's running into a less favorable environment. We're at the point where a quick spin-up tornado certainly is a possibility out of that line, but you notice how this line has gone to a bow. You know what, guys? Let's come back here in about 10 minutes, okay? And we'll start going through that then. But again, I got to head over to the TV side. So again, my apologies, but you've got the heads up as to what's going on, just to make sure that any other watches have not been issued. No. Okay.